This video, I'll be showing you how to remove Gmail account from old phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, removing a Gmail account from an old phone logs you out of all Google devices like YouTube, Drive, and Maps on that device and stops it from syncing new data. So the best method is the remote removal. If you lost the old phone, sold it, or don't have it nearby, you can use your current phone or computer to remotely, sever its access token. So what you want to do is open up your browser of choice and then go to myaccount.google.com/device-activity. Now this is really important, but this is going to show all your sessions. It's broken down by Windows, iPhone, Mac, Android, and anything else that you might be logged in on. And all you want to do, like let's say there's an old phone, let's say this Android phone, go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to see sign out as one of the options. Once you click that sign out button, that connection is then going to be severed, and that account will that phone will no longer be activated. The account won't be activated on that phone no matter what. It's going to be completely removed, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.